Hello everyone. Good morning to my fellow OFWs here in the Middle East. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. It's already 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay? Morning po sa inyong lahat. And yung nasa Pilipinas, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat, no? My family, brother and sisters, no? My wife and my son, good afternoon, no? So today we need to discuss the about MACD and RSI, ADX, and exponential moving averages. So I will share how I use this indicator. No? As we know, we need an indicator to gauge the direction of the price. No? Whether it has a momentum, it has a strength, whether it is have a strong trend. So we need to see it as a backup, no? Because for me, I will see the price action, the movement of the price, but I need a more additional backup indicator. So I am using exponential moving averages and ADX, MACD, and RSI. So if we talk about MACD, the MACD is pag ang MACD ay widening, nagwa-widening yung MACD, yun po ay sign of the momentum is strengthening. So kung pa-widening yung buka ng MACD, the momentum is strengthening. So papalakas po siya, no? And if the narrowing, if widening means it is strengthening. Kung buka ka yung yung MACD, so it means it's widening, the momentum is strengthening. But if the MACD is narrowing and there is a crossover, it means this is the sign of weakening. So the momentum is weakening. If the MACD is above zero line, because there is a zero line above and below. If MACD is above zero line, we call it as advancing thrust. If MACD is below the zero line, we call it as corrective thrust. Okay, so take note of that. For widening of the MACD, it is gaining strength. If it is narrowing and there's a crossover, it means there is a weakening. And we see where is the MACD location. If it is above the zero line, we call it as advancing thrust. But if MACD is below the zero line, we call it as corrective thrust. So the next indicator I'm using is the RSI. This is to gauge if the stock is in an overbought. If RSI above or greater than 80%, we call this as very overbought. If it is the range from 70% to 80%, This is called as lightly overbought. If 30% to 20%, we call as lightly oversold. If it is below less than 20%, we call as very overbought. So from above 80%, it is called very overbought. If from the range from 70 to 80%, lightly overbought. If from 30 to 20%, this is lightly oversold. But if it is less than 20%, we call as very overbought. So this is the second indicator that I am using. The third one is ADX, the value of ADX. This ADX will measure the strength if there is a if it is trending or non-trending. So if the ADX from 0 to 25, the range is 0 to 25, 0 to 25, that is weak or non-trending. So it means the strength is not, uh, hindi po siya malakas, no? But if the ADX from 25 to 50, we call as strong. So the strength is strong. But take the other one is from 50 to 75, very strong. So take note for this. Very strong from 50 to 75, 25 to 50 strong, 0 to 25 is none or weak. The fourth one is 75 to 100, that is extremely strong. So, napakalakas, no? So ADX measurement from 0 to 25, none or weak. 25 to 50, strong. 50 to 75, very strong. And 75 to 100, extremely strong. So this is the third indicator that I am using. The fourth one is the exponential moving averages. Okay, I am using exponential moving averages 20, 50, 100, and 200. So this is the exponential moving averages that I am using. Now we will see if the price is above exponential moving averages 20 and 50, we'll consider as a strong trend. Okay, and if the price also above all exponential moving averages, we call as strong trend. Now the second one is if the price is below exponential moving averages 20 or 50, we call as trend in adjustment. So if the price is below 20 and 50, trend in adjustment, but above 100 and 200 exponential moving averages, we call it as trend in adjustment. Okay? If the price above exponential moving averages 20 and 50, and above all exponential moving averages, we call it as strong trend. Okay, remember that one. But if the price is below exponential moving averages 20 and 50, but above exponential moving averages 100 and 200, we call as trend in adjustment. Okay. The third one is if the price is below EMA 100 and exponential 200, this is a trend, weak trend. We call as weak trend. If the price is below 100, exponential moving average is 100 and 200, we call as weak trend, or it is below all exponential moving averages. Okay, if the price is below AME 100 and 200, we call as weak trend. So take note of that. It is below 100, below 200, weak trend. But if it is below also all the exponential moving averages, AME 20, AME 50 below, AME 100, AME 200, so this is called as weak trend also. Okay, so I will repeat na. And exponential moving averages, if the price above 20, exponential moving average 20 and exponential moving average is 50, we call that as strong trend. Exponential above all exponential moving averages, it is also a strong trend. But if the price is below EME 20 and exponential moving average 50, but above exponential moving average is 100 and 200, it is called as trend in adjustment. But if the price is below AME 100 and 200 and below all exponential moving averages, we call it as weak trend. So we will not focus on this stock in the weak trend. So we'll try to focus on the strong trend and trend in adjustment. So this is the one we need to see here in the indicator. So because the stock market, we use this indicator as a backup, no, in the price action of the movement of the price. So now we are discussing now the MACD. We are discussing RSI. This is the gauge of overbought or oversold. MACD and ADX if there's a strength, and moving exponential moving averages. Now I will share to you the chart. Thank you for the uh, support. No? Now we have. I will share to you my uh, some of the trades last month. So we will see the chart now. We will combine the exponential moving averages, MACD, and RSI, and the ADX. So if these four within your pivot, so this is the time you put the stock in a green category. So means this is in your watch list. Okay, but if it is this is like a traffic light, no? There are a lot of stocks in the stock market, but we cannot trade it all because there are too much stock, no? But we need to gauge them based on their position of the price. Well, just like traffic light, we put it green if all the indicators is on your side, and we put it as orange if the indicator, all the indicator is not in your favor, in our favor, no. But If it is weak, we put as red color. So we need to avoid the stock in a red color. We just focus on the stock in on a strong trend and the stock in uh, correction in the adjustment trend. Now let's go to the chart. I will show to you how this indicator I use in the trading in the stock market. So this is only my way of uh, trading. How I use this indicators. So now this is the one uh, stocks STI education system holding. I buy this stock. I buy this share on this area. Okay. If you saw the price action, the movement of the price of STI is going sideways. But this area here, uh, it is above AME 20 and AME 50, and also above AME 100. Yes, 100. So our condition, if the price is above 20 and 20 exponential 50 exponential moving averages, we call as a strong trend. Now, this area, this is a bullish area also because there is a resistance here, resistance in this area, there's a resistance in this area, and the price also here did not break this area. So it means this is a resistant area. Now, when the price is going up on this area is a bullish area based on the price pattern. Now, if we look at the EDX, the EDX now is coming above 25 on this area. You see here, the ADX is coming above 25. So it means strong. And the moving average is also, the price is above AME 50 and AME 20 and AME 100. So it means this is a strong trend. And now if you see MACD is above the signal line, it is also a strong momentum. So but the RSI is still not yet in overbought. So that is why I enter in this area, and when the price is in the overbought area, I sell it here, somewhere here in this area. When the price break this incline resistance. Okay, so now if you see STI MACD is closing down here. So it means it is weak because our guideline, if the MACD is narrowing or there is a crossover, it is a weak. So now, but it is in an advancing thrust because it is above the zero line, this line. But we need to see the price action here of the STI. But for now, if you see the price action, still we will see here in this area if the price is climbing on this area. But for now, we'll draw a line here for STI. We'll see on this area. So for me, in my own analysis, I will wait the STI to climb on this area. But now if you see the indicator, the ADX is still above 25, but the MACD is closing down. So we need MACD to cross it up again in the signal line, which is the red line. So now we need to see price action above on this line. If we see there is a crossover of the MACD and the ADX still above 25, so we need to watch the price movement if the pattern is in bullish pattern. So this is one we're using, no? ADX, MACD, and RSI. Now still the RSI is not in an overbought, but based on the price action, it should go up on this area, and then we will see if there is a consolidation on this area. So this is good for STI above on this line. And if MACD is closing up in the signal line and the RSI is still not yet in overbought, it is good. So but for now, we'll wait the price going up in this location. Now the other one I trade in um, RSI. Now before I trade it in RSI, we'll see the price pattern of RSI. So this is the price action of RSI. So this is the area I am here on this area. So when the MACD is closing up, if you see the MACD here, MACD is widening. So it means it is gaining momentum. When the price breaking this resistance area, this area now, this candle breaking this resistance area. Now we need to see it is above AMA 50 or above AMA 20. Yes, and it is also above AMA 100. So if it is above AMA 20, above AMA 50, and above all exponential moving averages, we call it as a strong trend. But now we need to gauge the ADX, if there is a strength or weak. So let's go to the uh, ADX. So when the price break this area, when the price is breaking this area, ADX is above 25. It is 26. Okay, so it is a strong trend. The strength is strong. Now, still not yet overbought. It is 69. But it is like, if it's coming 70, it is slightly overbought. But if we see the actions of the price is breaking the resistance and the EDH is above 25, it means this is a strong. Okay, and MACD is widening, so it means it has a momentum, and RSI is still not yet overbought, and it is above exponential moving averages 20 and 50, and also above exponential moving averages 100. So now if you see here, the MACD is narrowing down and crossing down. So it means it become weak, but it is above the zero line. It means it is an advancing thrust. So we will wait for another price action if MACD is crossing above. So the price is going up. And still the EDX is above 25, still strong. But for now, if you see MACD here, MACD is closing down. So it is weak. ADX above 25, but the momentum MACD is closing down, so it is weak. So we need to see the next price action of RSI. But for me, if RSI climb on this above this horizontal line, this is good based on the price movement. So but for now, we'll wait RSI to climb above this line. So this is the one we need to say price movement, moving averages are the price above all exponential moving averages, and MACD is crossing up or MACD is crossing down. And if it is overbought and not overbought. So this is very important to see the market if there is a strength. So this indicator gives me a lot of information uh, and help me for gauging the strength or the momentum of the uh, shares, no, the price. So now I'll give you another example for now. This now corporation, before it will climb in this area, it is already discussed. It is already discussed, no. But now when we see here, uh, I mentioned that we need to watch the price action of now because if you see in this area, now price is above all exponential moving averages. So it means it is a strong. Okay, it is in our guideline. If it is above AMA 20, above AMA 50, strong trend, or above all exponential moving averages. So it is a strong trend. Now we look at what is the ADX is doing. In this area, ADX is above 25. So it is a strong. There is a strength. If you see the MACD on this area, MACD is still above the signal line. Above the signal line, above zero line. So it means there is a momentum. So that's why we need to watch in this area the price action of now. Now when we see here, RSI is 63. In this area, RSI is not in an overbought condition. So pasok po sa lahat ng ating indicator. The indicator that I am using, it is all indicator is in our bias. So that's why this is the time we need to position on this area. Okay. And in stock market, we need to position first before the stock is climbing up. Because if the stock is going up, so you are late already. So pag late ka na, umaandar na yung sasakyan and then saka ka pa sasakay. Tumakbo na, no? Saka pa tayo sasakay. We need to sit before it will run. So that is why this indicator is very helpful to me. MACD, moving averages, RSI, and ADX. Okay? As I said, the time on this area, price is above all exponential moving averages. So it means it is a strong. And the ADX is above 25, it is a strong. MACD is above the zero line, above the signal line, it is strong. RSI not yet an overbought, so it is okay. Get inside on this. For me, I will position in that area before the price will going up. Because if the price is going up and then tumaas, so this is a prone of retracement. Especially will reach in the overbought level. From 70 to 80, it is slightly overbought, and above greater than 80, it is very overbought. So, but if you have position in the downside, before the price is raising up, it is good. Okay, so I'll give you another example. The one I trade is the ESEN. This ESEN, before it is ASIC, no? This is ASIC, but now they changed to ECN. So AC Energy. Before it is ASIC, no? ASIC. ACAPS. Now, this area, if you see MACD, here is crossing up, widening. So it means the momentum is straightening. But if MACD is narrowing and there is a crossover, it is become weak. But now if you see here, the price is breaking on this resistance area. I was here on this area. I positioned on the time before there's a breakout of the resistance area. So now MACD is still widening out, and now it's going here. It is above the zero line. It is advancing thrust. No, now it is above all exponential moving averages. The price is above all exponential moving averages, so it means it is a strong trend. So we need to position if there is a small retracement of the price, because MACD is above the advancing thrust zero line in this area. No, now ADX also above 25. So this is the one we need to gauge. If there is a strength, ADX above 25 is a strong, and the MACD is above the signal line. So I will give you a last one, STI. This is my last trade last month. No, this is this is one of the stock that I made a swing trade. No, thank you for watching J Mike channel. Thank you. To my sister-in-law, Mercy Akas, thank you very much. And J Mike channel, how are you? Thank you. And now we are here. There we are discussing the stock market technical analysis. Technical analysis, it means this is the one we need to gauge the correct entry of the price, where we buy the shares in the lower price and sell it in the high price. This is how stock market works. Okay, because you buy it in the low price and sell it in the high price, so it means you have a profit. Kyle Akas, my nephew, thank you very much. Thank you for your support. So this is how I trade in the stock market. I'm using the MACD as a backup in the price movement. I use the ADX and I use the RSI. And now I will see the last one, STI. This is the last stock that I trade last November. I'm only using swing trading kasi mayroon po akong trabaho. I cannot monitor 8 hours in the stock market. So I just want to position where is the stock, uh, it is in the strong trend. Huh? So we need to position first before the stock will climb. So now, I will show you how I trade the STI. If you see here, uh, I think it is completed. I will go to FLI, no? I will show to you the FLI, fill and best. So I swing it also. I'm using swing trading. Now Now, if you see here, I buy this EPLI in this area at point 0.9. I think that is 0.999, this area. Now, if you see the price movement here, this area is now in a bullish area. No? So this area, it is a bullish area. Now, when there is a breakout here, we will see the ADX above the 25. It is 52, 49. So very strong, no? And now MACD is above the zero line and above the signal line. So it is in advancing thrust, and it is above AME 20 and AME 50. And the RSI is still not yet overbought. So this is the one I entered this trade on this area. Okay, so when the price is overbought, I sell it also, because if the price is overbought, will become oversold. Thank you for watching, Idol Duty Explorers. Thank you very much for all your support. No, thank you very much to my sister-in-law, Mercy Akas. And G Mike channel, thank you. And this is the one I shared to you. This is my trades last November. I am trading LHC, ASEN, and STI. SSI also. I trade in the SSI. And one, the small in mid to white also. So this is the stock market. We need to buy in the low price and sell it in the high price. Okay, if you buy it in the high price, then sell it higher. So there are only two. Uh, there are only two people in the stock market: the buyer and the seller. So that is why we need to see the price movement. Who is in control, the buyer or the seller? If you see the controlling on the price is the buyer, then go inside and check the ADX, MACD, RSI, and moving averages if it is in your favor. Okay, if, as I said, if the ADX is above 25, it is strong. This is but ADX did not show you the direction, but it is only show you how strong or the strength of the price. It is going up or going down. So this is very helpful. No? We need to invest in the stock market because there are a lot of money here if you know how to enter correct entry. Okay, so if you are investing in the bank, I think it's how many percent only per annual. But this is why we need to study technical analysis, because this is the way we need to see the price movement. Through the price movement, we see who is in control, the seller or the buyer. Dalawa lang naman yan nandito eh. Buyer and the seller. Okay? Para bang ano yan, yung nagtitinda ka ng isda, no? In the wheat market. The buyer, of course, kung presko pa yung isda, the buyer is aggressive. Oh, I will buy this. Ganyan po dito sa stock market. If the company may paparating na good news or maganda yung profit, of course, makikita natin yan dito sa price movement, aangat din yung presyo. So this is the time we need to watch because we don't know what is inside in the company. They are winning or they are losing. We don't know what's happening in the company. So if the company is losing, of course, the price will go down. If the price is recovering, it means there's something wrong with the company. So as I said, para bang nagtitinda ng isda, pag presko, agresibo yung buyer. Pero pag parang na ano na yung isda, of course, hindi na aggressive yung buyer. So ano pong mangyayari? Ibibinta na lang yung isda ng mura. Ganito din sa stock market. If there's something wrong in the company, there's a bad news, people will sell it. So this is why we are studying the technical analysis to see what is the price movement, what is the price is doing. Like the EPLI, Fed Invest. If you see here in the bottom, the prices continue going up. And we can ask why. Why the price is going up? It means there's something wrong coming in this company. So before it will climb, we need to position at the bottom. So this is the one we need to study the stock market. So that's all for today. I am sharing these indicators that I am using. Moving averages, exponential moving averages, because dalawa po yan, may simple moving averages. But I am using exponential moving averages dahil yung action niya ay mas ma-advance kaysa simple moving averages. So itong line dito, yung green, orange, red, blue, ito po yung moving averages, exponential moving averages. Kasi kung makita ninyo yung presyo pag tumaas na sa may exponential moving averages, there is a chance that the price will go up. So pag ang presyo nasa bottom ng exponential moving averages, so of course, mahina pa yung presyo. Thank you for watching my brother, Eladio Acas. Thank you very much. And now, as I said, I'm using exponential moving averages, ADX, measuring the strength if there is a weak, non-trending or trending. But ADX does not mean show the direction, but it's only gauging, no? If there is a strength or there is no strength. Now, I'm using also RSI if it is overbought and oversold. So if overbought, ibig sabihin, marami na pong share. Yan. So it is candidate for retracement. People will sell their shares and of course, the price will go down. Kasi magbibintahan na po yung mga tao pag ang price ay nasa overbought level. And I'm using also MACD. If MACD is closing down, means the momentum is losing. Para bang yung umina yung momentum, yung buyer's aggressiveness. Yung umina na po yung buyer's interest. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something about this one, and it's very helpful also. So you need to study the Philippine stock market, investing, trading, and investing. Okay, because this knowledge in the stock market, hindi po ito itinuturo doon sa paaralan, no? Hindi po tayo tinuturo yan. So, that's why this is an opportunity. If there's something some people is teaching about stock market technical analysis, so you need to grab the opportunity. So, Before I go, thank you very much for G Mike channel, my sister-in-law, Mercy Akas, to my nephew, Kyle Akas, to Idol Dutex, thank you very much. And to my brother, Eladio Akas. To my sister also, so Gloria, thank you very much. And to all my brothers and sisters, thank you. And that's all for today. God bless us all always.